In this video, we are going to learn about the nature of the image formed by an object that is placed between C and F. The question is an object 4 centimeter in size is placed at 21 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of the image. As usual, I have written here all the important points from the given question is the concave mirror and height, object distance, focal length, and so on. First, draw a rough diagram. First write the value, then apply sign convention, change the value. I completed drawing the rough diagram and I noted this one height of the object is plus 4.0 and focal length is minus 15 and object distance is minus 21 centimeter. I written the value here. Now the objective is to find the image distance, size and nature of the image. Write all the values with the proper sign convention and write necessary formulas 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f and magnification factor and so on. Now come to the substituting the values we have with us. We know the value of focal length and object distance. We are going to find the image distance. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by minus 15.0 minus of 1 by minus 21. That is object distance. And when you do the normal mathematics process here, and finally we come to know this one, 1 by v is equal to 2 by minus 105.0. That is, v is equal to minus 105 divided by 2. That is equal to v is equal to minus 52.5 centimeter. This negative sign indicates the image is in front of the concave mirror. Image will be obtained at 52.5 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. Now we are going to calculate the next one, that is called magnification. M is equal to minus V by U. And we are going to substitute the value for V and U. So instead of substituting 52.5, I just prefer to substitute minus 105 divided by 2. So it's easy to cancel and we can proceed this one. So finally we have this one minus 105 divided by 42, and if you look mathematics part, m is equal to minus 2.5. There is no unit for magnification factor because it's a ratio of two numbers. Now come to the next one. M is minus 2.5. Since the value of M is negative, the image obtained in this case is real. Whenever the value of M is negative, the image obtained is negative. Next, we have to find the magnitude of magnification factor. That is, look at the value alone. So in this case, magnitude of minus 2.5 is equal to 2.5. The 2.5 is greater than 1. Magnitude of M is greater than 1. Therefore, the image obtained is enlarged. Next, we are going to calculate the height of the image. M is equal to h dash by h, or h dash is equal to m into h. When you substitute the value of m and h, we got the value h dash is equal to minus 10.0. Height of the image is minus 10.0. This negative sign indicates the image is inverted. Now we are coming to the last part of this problem. Write all the answers obtained by you separately, like image distance is equal to minus 52.5, magnification is equal to minus 2.5, no unit, height of the image is minus 10.0 centimeter. And what we have to conclude, the image obtained at 52.5 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. And by looking at the value of m, we come to know this one is a real image, and the magnitude of m is more than 1, therefore it is enlarged image. Next one, height of the image is minus 10.0, this is negative, therefore we call it the inverted image. So we have to conclude like this way. In the next video, we will learn about when object placed at f, what will happen.